How to draw a unicorn hamster, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. I hope you're all doing well today. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a slanted triangle-like shape. Inside of this triangle, we're going to add lines. These lines will help separate the colors later on when we color in our drawing. Nice job! Now underneath of the triangle that we just made, we're going to begin to make a total of 2 eyes. We're going to start over on the left hand side, and we're going to begin to make a very small eye, and we're going to leave a little white space inside of the middle so that this will make a pupil. Now let's move over to the right and do the same thing. Now moving back up, we're going to begin to add in some hair as well as the right ear of our unicorn hamster. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Awesome job! Now we're going to begin to make the outline of the face. We're going to do this by using small C-like shapes. Now moving inside of the face, right below those 2 eyes, we're going to begin to make the nose as well as mouth. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now inside of the face, I'm going to begin to make a squiggly line. This squiggly line will help separate the colors. On the left side of the head, let's make the second ear of our unicorn hamster. Now inside of each ear, let's add in a line for detail. Now for this step, we're going to move right below the head of our unicorn hamster and we're going to begin to make the body. Be sure for this step to be able to pause the video and go at your own pace so that you don't miss out on a single thing. Whoa, this is really cool. Now before we finish, we have to do a couple more steps. Let's go beneath the body and let's begin to make the feet of our unicorn hamster. Awesome job. Now over to the right, we're going to begin to make the tail. Now inside of the tail, let's add in some lines so that it's easier to separate the colors later on in the video. Now last but not least, to add a little bit of character to our unicorn hamster, we're going to add in some spots inside of the body. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, then I highly recommend that you give it a thumbs up. Awesome. Now stick around so that we can clown our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.